Hey guys, it's Ruthie with the Popple Backyard Farm. I made another one of those ponchos. But this, well, and I actually kind of feel like they're like more like a night, like those old, what do you call it, bed coats that they made years ago. Because I don't like them super long. And, but this one I just made. And basically you can just like chain around your neck 30 or not 30 like 40, 45, 50, wherever you want it to come down, and then just use just any old stitch you like, and as you go just add to it. Now this one here I felt like you're going to look at it and see it a little bumpy because I probably added more stitches than I could, but it doesn't matter because it's just like a little bed jacket, and I guess if I gained weight it might help but I'm losing weight. So you can see it kind of lands about the middle of my elbow, but it's just cute. Now this one at the very bottom I did the zigzag, so it has like those little points at the end. So there you go. And these are super easy, especially for the beginner crocheter, because all you do is increase. I usually will start like, I'll increase like double of what was in there before every little bit, and see, and that's where that happened down here. It was a little too much, but then I just weed back if that happens. But these are very forgiving, and you'll kind of find your groove, but practice makes perfect. And like I said, this one here, I mean, it's perfectly fine with the bumps and everything. It doesn't even look bad, but it's just something that I know about, that I feel like it's, you can see the little puffs a little bit, but most people probably wouldn't even think about it unless I mentioned it to them, because when you're moving around and things like that, it's not even, you can't even tell. But the beauty of these are, you can use it for a coverall in the summer, in the winter, just like a sweater you can throw on top of you. You can even sleep in them if you get cold on your back. And I think that's what the women used to do years ago. They'd sit up in their bed and they'd be nice and cozy and reading a book or knitting or crocheting. And that's what I do at night. I throw one of these on, I knit, watch TV, play on the computer, and I'm nice and toasty warm. So there you guys go. So remember, oh, say hi to my husband. He's over here. Say hi, Clay.
Hi, Clay.
What are you having for dinner tonight?
Tomato soup and pickled beets?
Yes, because he's on a diet and so am I.
That's not much of a diet. I eat that stuff all the time anyway. So
I know. So we eat it anyway. But anyway, so guys, remember, big or small, you too can be a backyard farm. God bless.